Tiensan Checha Ubiana Yamobia once again and Famra Madiba official show no se sans partner say and the Jumadi Eddie Ebel all fine as one go so cry inti they be a catcher on me say untimi and subscribe and not subscribe abeka Jumadi no sounds any idea only munu bia na watimi ahye amonus anya bi ahesro we nya pesimin kumi bia asembia said that we enjoy channel na my episode sounds and also more bi and so e banom so be dwan show ni said that be a show no e betimi atretre na ya dia edwumadi no etimi akon kan e de ma yina nti yesrewa subscribe na share na like sense wo e bia suggestion bi so betimi aja e wo the comment box na said that be ya try say betimi aken kan aboma channel no etimi atumpone ayesin konwa yi ya be heard the Ghana Premier League highlight of Kotoko or many the Bekum Chelsea game this game na ne ya den on highlight e the bronti ya there's one game na say and a game no highlights in itimi ekoye.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Golden City Park here in Bekum, where this afternoon we're bringing you our featured match in the ongoing Ghana Premier League's match day 2, and one of the key fixtures for match day 2 is coming your way this afternoon. It is Bekum Chelsea, the pride of Bekum. They're taking on the fabulous lads from the Ashanti region. Bekum Chelsea versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And we're hoping that that man in your shot, Hesse Odampton, will be able to pull a quick one over Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That's his plan for this afternoon's encounter. And away we go. Bekum Chelsea are playing from left to right, and Kumasi Asante Kotoko are sporting the predominant red jersey, with a black porcupine playing a key role on the chest, but effectively cleared out by Benjamin Abedu. Not too far. Kotoko, they're coming forward. Christopher Netti tries a pass through now. It's dangerous and it's looking good for Kotoko at this stage. Can he get a blast on target? Long ball in from Edward Podo, cleared out by Adom Frimpong. And now the run is on for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Emmanuel Jeffy. This is an opportunity for Kotoko. This should be goal number 1, and it is! It is! Referee has accepted. The ball did indeed pass the goal line. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Emmanuel Kayeke, gets his name on the score sheet. Chelsea 0, Kotoko 1. 19 minutes gone in the first half. Half an hour to go, and Kotoko has set themselves in the driving seat. Christopher Netti behind the ball. A foot to it is raised into the 18-yard box. Can the connection come? It comes, and it's a high chance for a goal. But Kwame Opoku just could not connect.
He seems to have that strength. He has that ability to run on the ball and a skill to outwit his markers.
Gonji, 18-yard box, it goes. What a header and what a diving save. But unfortunately, it will be difficult to explain why Gonji blasted the ball into the air. For Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they're looking forward to picking up their first 3 maximum points in the ongoing Ghana Premier. 3-man wall formed by Kotoko. Emmanuel Clotte brings it and is punched away by Felix Annan.
That was a very powerful drive.
And Kotoko get away from Emmanuel Jeffy. He definitely will use his speed. Can he outwit the marker in front of him? Emmanuel Jeffy has been tidied up clearly. Long ball into the 18-yard box. And then put with a header this time around. Again, Felix Annan was in the right place at the right time.
Off another player is allowed to go scot-free without any infringement being ordered.
Skill, Abedu gets in there. Referee says he would have none of that. Daniel Laye was right on the spot and obviously will not be wooed by Emmanuel Clotte's dive. Nana Safu-Odro watching closely.
Very difficult time as the Porcupines have just 6 minutes to make sure they win this game.
Felix Annan is beating to it, but fortunately I should say, we're hoping that he can recover fully. But so Felix Annan is stretched off the field of play to receive further attention. On comes Kwame Ba for the remainder of the game. Kwame Ba to the rescue. First time of asking, first save. It will be interesting to listen to Coach Asodamtin and what he has to say concerning his first loss of the season.
Well, he has a few minutes to prove his mettle, but that should be very positive in the final 2 minutes of the game. Good gather there with a quick ball into the feet of Stephen Amankona, looking for the free kick, and perfectly he's been called right on the edge of the penalty area. Who is going to effect this? Amankona has always been justified when taking these set pieces. Is he going to effect it? Stephen Amankona behind the ball, and that's a drive, and that's Equalizer. The equalizer comes in for Clote, the experienced forward formerly of Great Olympics. It was just coming from that free kick, and you can see the former goalkeeper getting the goal. Disappointed Kotoko will be, disappointed Maxwell Kmedu will be, but Samuel Ejay, the goalkeeper for Brecum Chelsea, together with the rest of his team, you can see all the joy down the technical area for Brecum Chelsea. Michael Hesse-Odampton can now afford a smile. And Daniel Lai will whistle for the end of the game as Kotoko given their lead away in the final minutes.
Well, said MD carry to so enjoy game no sir, and it make oyema obuku efe say Brecum Chelsea enya last minute go through Emmanuel Clote ono na ebetimi every bench e ba your boy ma Brecum Chelsea etna fi any Bobo Kevin Kotoko about 1-1 and they could pim or the league log Kotoko abede 8 on the league log or more just 2 points on my Monday. We pm or Crodium one Melkumasi Crodiuma. Yeah, they are spotters in enemy because out of possible 6 points, you know, Bobo Kevin Kotoko or just 2 points on Obekaya from the one. I've always preached patience virtue because and they were all the players that Kotoko assemble or more. Most of them new into the team, and even probably about last season at times you have to give them the benefit of the doubt. And moreover, this is a strange season because we were sometimes about 9 months and more game. Not fair, they are trying to get abreast with the competitive nature of the game. They make a bit of more time before they'll be able to get abreast with it. And then Mazakone do a try to find a piece of the jigsaw. Just like Obekaya now in the press conference, you just said, why the Chelsea Frank Lampard and then the Chelsea Bubu corner. And then the way Bobo Kevin say Kotoko, that's what I've seen in the team. Kamaya says he's trying to find a piece together. So there be a both players that will be able to fit in the play. And he were the first game, some of them point a boy. Overcast and Chris Net or the Black Stars and no Bayern was number start and all these things will happen. The first game he played with a lone marksman in Kwame Poku. And this game he went with 2 players. Brandon Fenn said Ismail Osman Ezebekano and I Ibrahim Osman the Ebekano mom board the 2 strikers or not over the first game to up. Godfrey Siema and me and started no game or start Edema Kotobo. These are some of the things that all try to fit in, and for me I think say so you have train not some money have train the man not with me put 2 and 2 together. No Shebo Kona one we are going forward maybe we may be talking of a name I cover Chelsea when they kind the same thing Edema Kotobo. For me I think say 1-1 and every time about Brecum Chelsea etikana now the dying embers of the game and Emmanuel Clote ever bought that hammer with free kicker or they take and my work event Brecum just for me I think say because suppose any other trade now I'm trying say maybe and listening to and say my own criticism na air corner now I'm able to my team for me I think say they'll be able to gel with time. Ham Eras my Diba official channel no yes so be a catch channel so unsubscribe it and back you may do no yes so now subscribe it I be consider be ya did you may be at to swap now it me I can in terms so